How to check block contacts on Samsung phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you want to find out all the block contacts on a Samsung Galaxy smartphone, then here is how you can do this process. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to find out block contacts, simply go and open up the phone application from a device, and from the phone section, go and tap on this three-dot line at the top right. Now once you tap on this, you'll get to see the settings. Go ahead and tap on settings here, and inside the settings, you'll get to see the second option, block numbers. So if you tap on these, it's going to immediately show you all the block contact list right over here. So 3 of these contacts I have blocked so far. So now if you want to unblock the contact, you'll get to see the minus or the red icon beside the individual contact. So you can actually tap on this in order to unblock that specific number, or even you can add a different number to this list. You can tap on this add phone number option. You can tap on this plus icon, or you can go to the contact where exactly who you want to actually block, or even you can do it from the recent option as well. And this is how you actually can find out the block numbers or the block contacts on Samsung phone. Hope you found this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.